Okay, so this is the wash and go, like 75% dry. We're gonna have to, kind of fluff and shape the back in the meantime, over as it continues to dry down. But yeah, I just use those 3 ingredients, and it's pretty shiny. It looks pretty good. This is a really good gel. I used to use the Eco Styler, and I find that it's very light and it doesn't give you as much hold. This one is not a stiff gel, but it's thick and nice. It's really creamy and rich. I don't know how I can describe a gel as creamy, but it has body, it gives you a nice feel. It feels like it's weighing down your hair sufficiently to activate the curls. As you can see, my curls are alive and well. I don't have enough to shake as yet, unfortunately, but this is nice. I will be continuing to use this. Another thing that I wanted to talk about is grease. I went natural once before. I did a big chop, and I was trying to do the new age, new wave of natural things, which is to wear a lot of wash and goes, and I was using a lot of American products. I shouldn't say American products, I should say new products, new natural hair products, curl activators and stuff like that. While some of them do work well, I feel like you don't need a lot of high-end, expensive, fancy brands. I'm using this simply because I got this on sale on their website. This is actually the first time trying it, and it's mid. It's you don't need to go out your way to get something like this. However, if you do want Miel products, or Miel, whichever way you pronounce them, during November they typically have a $7 sale. So almost all of their products go on sale for $7. So yes, this is a big container. We probably would have paid one something for this at Pennywise, and it was $49 for me. Well, TT. Yeah, so back to the grease. I want to use grease in my hair more regularly. I have very dry hair, so my hair typically sucks product. I can put the Wola moisturizer in my hair today, tomorrow it's dry as chips. So I feel like this is a pretty heavy sealant. The oils in here, the formulation of this, it probably has silicones in it. Yeah, it's gonna do the job. So I'm gonna be washing my hair once a week, and right now while my hair is short, it's basically new strong hair, so I'm not gonna be focusing too much on deep conditioning, because deep conditioning is more suited for conditioning the ends of your hair. As your hair get older or longer and older, it tends to need more love, more TLC, more moisture input. For now, my hair is 2 inches long at best. I wanted to show you a little stretch. Yeah, and I also won't be hair typing, because I have 4 different textures in this one head. So a hair type is a no-no for me, but I can tell you that my hair is very high porosity. So I'm going to be using my Blue Magic, so far I think Blue Magic will do for me. I like the feel of it. It's really, really good. It has my hair very shiny as well. I'm going to be greasing my scalp using a moisturizer. I always love the ORS products because they're pretty thick and heavy. Like I said, I have dry hair, so I need thick, heavy products. Yeah, so washing my hair once a week, using a moisturizer, using grease. That's my simple regime for now. When my hair gets a bit longer, I'm gonna be doing mini twist as a protective style. I used to do a lot of mini twist as protective styles when I was younger, but I never really got to enjoy my hair because I didn't understand how to take care of natural hair. It was always associated with pain. I hope you can hear me still because it's raining. Yeah, so that's basically it. So I'll be taking you guys along with me. I don't know if any of you are at the same spot with me in your hair journey, have TWAs, teeny mini afros, so we can go on a hair growth journey together, keep each other accountable. Sometimes it's easy to fall off your regime, to fall off your healthy habits. So yeah, that's it. So that's my wash and go. If I update it, I'll let you guys know. If I'm doing any protective hairstyles in the meantime, I'll also show you, and I'll insert some pictures of my hair for like when I cut it in, I think it's in February, at the end of February, beginning of March. I cut my hair. I just chopped it straight out of braids. I probably had like half an inch of hair at that point in time. Yeah, so I'll insert some pictures so you can see, and you see where I am today, and we'll be going forward, keeping each other accountable and seeing what are some best practices. If you guys have any hints or tips on how to grow long, healthy, very high porosity hair, I'll be willing to check it out. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all the things.